Hello guys, welcome back to another Scratch tutorial on how to make a capture the flag game. So this is a brand new series. So for this episode we will make the players moving and colliding with the walls like real life. Okay, so let's get started. So in here we have 5 sprites. So go by one. So in here, in the red sprite, I've just made a simple box with an outline, and the color in here is red, and then the blue, just the same, and then the walls are, I use bitmap to make these, so you can make your own art, like this, and then use the red flag, which I've made, and then the blue flag. And the point of these two flags is the center is right here, so put the stick right above it, and then in the stage we just got a simple red and blue squares, and in here we have the white safe zones, and all these assets will be linked in the description below. So, in the red sprite, you'll make it move. So, when green flag clicked, you'll go to X negative 150, Y 0. And then we'll make a new variable naming it X velocity. Okay, for this sprite only, and we'll make a variable named Y velocity for this sprite only and hide them. So set both of the variables to 0, like this, and forever loop. Then if key D is pressed, then we will change X velocity by 0.2, and then if key A is pressed, then we'll change X velocity by negative 0.2, and we'll set X velocity to 0.95 times X velocity, and then we'll put in a change X by X velocity, and we'll make a new block named X collision, like that one without screen refresh. Put it right there, and we'll copy this, put it right here, put this to the W key and put this to the S key, and then change Y velocity by like that. And then we'll set Y velocity to 0.95 times Y velocity, and we'll simply change Y by Y velocity, and we'll make a new block named Y collision, run without screen refresh, and put it right here, and we'll make the collisions later, but for now we have this simple movement and it's cool. So before we go for the collisions, I'll just make sure the walls are in the back layer. So when green flag clicked, forever go to back layer, like that. And yeah, we can go through them, which we don't want. We'll make the collisions. So in the X collision, we'll make an if touching walls, and then repeat until not touching walls. Then we'll put in an if else block, x velocity is more than 0, then we'll change x by -1, and else we'll change x by 1. And then right in the if touching walls, but in the bottom right here, like this. Oh, sorry. We'll set x velocity to 0. And like that, we'll duplicate this and change all of these to the y. And once you've done that, then you surely are having the wall collisions working. Very cool. And we also have friction movement here, which is cool enough. So now in here we will want to make the blue sprite moving with the arrow keys. So easier way to do it is just by putting all of these code in the blue box sprite. That white collision here, collision there, and then we'll change this to right arrow, left arrow, up arrow, and down arrow, like that. Oh, got to change this to 150, and just like that we have made the two characters moving, and we also have the collisions working. So thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.